Well, Jay, imagine Jadona, Sunday morning. Happy Sunday morning to everyone. Some would say back may Gora, Jer Shatana Jessica, I guess, may Jadona Jessica. So I hope you had a nice Sunday and a nice weekend, I should say, I guess a nice Sunday. Shat, Tamami, Baile, Tamami, Chach. Mommy's at home, Mommy's at the Chach. Yeah, we say egg baile. Egg baile, I suppose, just some baile. Like in Ishmael and Connemara, they'll say Somalia, but here and in Isir and in Ishmael here at Chin, they say and we say egg baile. So that's kind of there's a bit of a breeze. That's a breezing begun. That's a little rack. I hope it's not making too much noise interference with the mic and the camera. And you heard while I'm external mic, I didn't bring an external mic. It's not too bad. It's not too bad. The Mashola to Chinese and just a guiding bug, like a sunny culture, the sunny chin freshen. I'm walking with a little girl and Sunny. It's a lot of bra. We shall have washed the raid. We washed the hand room on the raid. It was very heavy rain last night. We shall now the raid. It was that's a lag and kindship, that's an idiom we have. Visha in now, that means like he was in a river, I suppose, literally translated, but that means it's an idiom meaning it was a downpour, very heavy rain, downpour. Very raid. If I couple over the chlog, after the dog or margin, he the chlog dog or margin around 1 o'clock or 2 o'clock in the morning. Who's it actually woke me. Who she made it wakened me, woke me. And you're so wrong, a lot just was in the years. Cleared up nicely. Come on, I'm not sure what's in this. So, there's in a prever, Kafat, which I said a minute, it does not have more than the shoe. As long as it's dry, Hofada, so will say, Hofada, as long as Hofada, so will say, Cheddar. Father said, "Cheddar." That's not going to matter. It's kind of as a shoe lights just instead of it's a guy named Sunny. I can go out as long as it's dry. I can go out and enjoy the nice walk. Air oor, fresh air, air oor is fresh, so air oor. Oh, jacket of wallet. It's jacket of wallets. You can't beat it. Jacket of wool. Ní féidir of wool. Oh, hello. Right. Ní féidir éir úr of wool. Dan ní more richt het in. Lá má lach le mach richt. It's a good day to go out. So ek richt. Here we say ek richt, as opposed to ek ri. Spelled the same R-I-T-H. Pronounced here. As a general in small, it's been Connemara, first to make up a richt. Egg richt, and lad chin, egg richt, that lad is out. Egg richt, running, egg richt. Law mat, as I said him. Nicharo hoifer. August, said him. It's not too windy, Nicharo hoifer, Nichaflach. It's not wet, as I said him, it's dry. Agus Nicharo hoifer, it's not too windy. Nicharo he, it's not too hot. As Nicharo war, it's not too cold. So I'm sure Goldilocks. I'm sure Goldilocks weather, just right. Gírach cart, just right. Gírach cart. That's that say. And it's Goldilocks chat. Like Goldilocks there in the pram. Chat a boo chat. Glean a kiting bug. When she boo Sunny. Nog when she boo Sunny boo. When she boo Sunny, she calls Sunny boo. So you might hear her saying boo. That boo means Sunny. Jamoo. Yeah, bo. Yeah, to bay and chin. Bay. Cows. Bay. Although a lot of people say bay, Connemara, they say bay. Bay, the pronounce the TH, we don't hear. We just say bay. So bay on. There will be cows there, bay, and moo, Macaulay, bay, moo, bo, no bay, they're for plural. The breeze burgers in this. Yeah, at the breeze, you know, that needs a roll on the cast. That's it, cast. I say, I feel ruicht, like ruicht. But I thought, Tantishke ruicht, the water is running. Tantishke ruicht, the water is running. The ruicht. Ach, I'm not kaijanta, but it's re. Near Mudaflicha, we don't see that here. Yeah, I think it's on the fence. See that now, Turu. It's like Turu. So Turu, see the string there and the Eriklai, the string. The Strungan is what you call that, string. Well, that's what we say, yeah, Strungan. Or a string, or a rope. Small rope or a string like that, strungan. But you use, there's another thing, turu, when you're measuring something, you want to be fairly accurate. You get a string like that, and you tie it to two stakes, wooden stakes, coffee salmon, stala, especially. But if you're, for example, Matujuna, Kurgari, if you're doing a ridge, potato ridge, and you want it to be accurate, straight, you use the turu string like that on a stake like that, and then you follow that string, and then it's accurate. It won't be going zigzagging or whatever. So I sometimes do that, sometimes I don't. Be mine as in Cowra, my Kurgari. Brian, must marul number a couple of meters. You know, the ridge is only a few meters, 2 to 3 meters. You can just eyeball it, you know. If it's a hesh, let it soul it. Ach, much a better hook either around, better Turu, which never cream. You know, but if you're doing a ridge that's about 5 meters or longer, the Turu would be very much recommended to keep it straight. But for a shorter ridge, I don't think it's that necessary if it's, you know, Macaulay. It's a Barna, chin. Barna. See the wall here, Barna. That's a Barna there. But see, compared to here, as in chin, that's a very sliggy. It's much weaker wall. That's why you can easily take it apart and build it again. Just flimsily built to let cows in or animals in or out of the field. Mach some muile. Stach some mach some muile go roy. Mar ni toki roing to tich. Go me fa na leg on go roy agus or to chin reach. You can raise it then again easily. Yeah, so that's a barn. Yeah, kind of major. So the bower lorcan, and this is bower lorcan. As so much mach. Oh yes, we're going out south. So in the Shmeon, here and in the Shmeon, as oh yes, that's south to Kerry, south to Kerry. It's Faja Kerry, Caroline Todd. You can actually see Kerry from here. In the Brandine, Mount Brandon. On certain days, Maincha Nariacht is Faja. If it's suitable weather conditions, Maincha Nariacht is Faja. The Brandon, it's only now and again you can actually see it. Get them that's oh yes. Agus said go kundach lár. Oh yes, gun the Brandine. Sheer gun the Shmeon. Agus oh hua go Connemara. Oh hua go sunny. Oh hua Connemara. So Connemara is north of us, northwest of us. North or northwest. It's not is west. Kerry Mount Brandon is south. Gundach lár, County Clare. Haltree Vór. Cliffs of Moher. And east of us. So it's for the 300 kilometers in the sea. You can see 3 counties from in the sea. Gaelic Gundach lár agus Kerry. This is Rift Kerry. Now and again, Kerry. Maradosh, my Tanaricht. If it's suitable, you can see it. Ni go me. Hello, Hakeem. What's that here? The day is great. Thanks for that. Als jij met Brando en ik mijn geen episode een couple of gone Guinness Netflix. Tá má go leor ní amach chéad episode tá faitéil gail gan maint faitéil gail gan. There's subtitles, Irish language subtitles in a new show called Guinness on Netflix. Well, go má sin make my chéad with it Netflix. I think it's the first time ever Irish subtitles on Netflix. So that's an interesting Docha Keen more. That's a big progression. That's great. Development. Joe. Excellent. Very good. Episode. I've only seen the first episode. Ní maiile me ceol agus ní maiile me sort of gascinní. I don't really like the music, rap. It doesn't suit. Ní éileann sé. Tá sé mar dearr merla, as you say in English. It's immersion breaking, because it's meant to be mid-19th century, 1860s or thereabouts, Macapa. Agus in ceol tán. They're rap. I don't like that. It's immersion, it doesn't suit. Bhí hub ceol of a fellúnach an ámú, they should have used kind of contemporary music to that time. Classical, trad, whatever, kind of folky music even. It's kind of, during lots of scenes you get this rap music and it just takes you out of it, Ní éileann an chlár, it doesn't need some kind of kinishing. I don't know who made that decision, but it's plain in me. Plane is gone, plane in me. Air Aaron, that's Air Aaron. I don't know if the mic is picking up the plane sound. Air Aaron, sin go sheer gan Nishmore stoi. I think it's gone over to Nishmore. I think in my zoom. Oh yeah, you can see it there, yeah. Goes sheer gan Nishmore, so it's going west over to Nishmore, the plane, Air Aaron. Chef, for Guinness, chef, yeah, amach of chéad episode, it's okay. It's alright. We got over hype, Marger, we got over the kind shui, the cup of shaft and the me, Beijing, super marshal, but Beijing on the episode, I didn't far, in the Sam, maybe other episodes are better. As you imagine, there's a lot of swearing. Yeah, you got prude, man, I'm not a prude or anything, but it's just when there's so much modern lingo, modern swearing. Again, I just find that kind of immersion breaking. It's kind of immersion breaking, kind of using modern syntax, modern lingo, modern swear words and things. It's not necessary. But the Clara Hayela said there's a lot of other kind of period drama shows, and they don't swear really like that, and again, that's another thing that kind of breaks the immersion for me. So Bishinchas in Humsa for me, I find it kind of immersion breaking. But it's all right. It's okay. It's something to watch, We're approaching winter now. We're in autumn now. So we're well into autumn now. We're midway through autumn now. And we're still at over in this. We're almost approaching October now, so we're fairly deep into October, into autumn, so over in this. It's nothing like brand new. It's something to watch on the telly. When the evenings are long, you're not able to be out and about. There's not much daylight, so a lot of people like myself will probably watch more television, more Netflix, more whatever. Probably an extra hour or two of television time compared to the summertime. So you imagine, they manage to tell you what it's like. Ní smooth dress sing evening a couple of hours. I'd say so easily. I'd probably get at least 2 hours more television time watching. Conine chin, some like a sunny Niaka. He didn't see the rabbit. Come on. Niak and Quinny, my vim Shisamalach. He didn't see the rabbit, my vim Shisamalach. I was in the way of his. Anyway, no harm. I wouldn't want him killing a rabbit, especially as cool and Kylie bugs pushing in front of the bird. It wouldn't be a pretty sight. Yes. Maar ja, ben je terug te branden. Hoe was het gemaakt? Was het gemaakt? Wille is zat keer het taal gemaakt. Wat is het gemaakt? Was het gemaakt? Ach, King of the Hill. En Sranu, Honey Sranu maakt in such a couple of meals and this probably a few months ago it came out. It's Disney Plus. That's again. Ach, krijgt hem uit in aanvaarroet. Agus dus is niet fenomen. Nu een episode waar nog echt fenomen. Ik zie dat check niet. Niet hangt hij daar is daar. Dus check episodes maar fenomen maar zijn. Yeah, I watched the new season of King of the Hill just came out about a month ago or 2 months ago maybe now. And, only 20 minutes or so episodes. But just in the jazz. There's a regular holla. There's a beams lab I heard the gen but I'm usually in bed around 10, so I maybe watch an episode or two. They're handy, it's just 40 minutes just before bed. It's handy, just something to watch. Really think that was a bit of hull search. So Barrow, the scale on, it's funny, there's a story, and Ted Iceland doesn't go on and on. So smile in my sin. Bite size, Marjana. So following that sin, my tips for everything that brand was Agus Tagalore. I fell in my being a Kylie Berger brand reflection, so we have the little girl watching this as well with us. And that's a fellow noch Nilain. That's a Nietzsche Fulchach, Nilain Gask, it's not bloody, there's no violence. Nietzsche Fulchach, it's there's no swearing or anything like that. So Nietzsche Nana Brand an angel, so she's going to watch this with us. Cheeky Gobloch Kinchner, if she's watching, having a snack or eating something small in the high chair, and she's just a guide out, sick on our angel with us. So it's family friendly. So anyone with kids or whatever, and you want to watch something that everyone will enjoy, King of the Hill, Tagama, Volane, I'd recommend it. But it's other things like brand, if you're looking to watch something. Kerkalor, what was it? Can you remember go gas my dash? Fad the bow shots on this, fad boat on the board. I'll continue on until I reach the end of the road here. Literally the end of the road. So when my time was my volunteer was I little brand was just the Sabagal comments my time in the force brand and because feature of father that's anyone who's still watching my video, still watching the video, maybe leave recommendations in the YouTube comments, I should say. Barrel no Gaeilge, Irish or English, agus Brand maid, agus turma chuid tuair me ar a chlár, agus turma antas gon sé bhul chum an chlár. And anyone who recommends me a show, can be either Gaeilge, Irish or English language show. I might give my thoughts, not a review, like I don't do reviews, but just give my thoughts, not an in-depth review or anything, just my thoughts as a casual watcher of shows. Me nerd, I'm not really a nerd, in-depth nerd going to analysis and things, but just I give my thoughts on things I'm watching and general casual thoughts, just as a casual viewer or whatever. But I'll give recognition or acknowledgement in my video to whoever or anyone who does recommend the show I watch it. So so Kerkalor Pishinella Chanish Gama Coach gun ta Rogin into Smachel Rogin Chagajas, Rogin Makakan the Frechme Makachi Craig Stack. Kind of a German Pishin dog Chanish. Just Robach Klobach. Klobach means chopping. choppy and something. It's like it's choppy on the boat, on a rough day in the boat. Well, ní how much fishing but just an roach in the spot. We'll only go a bit of the roach just to show it for the video. Carcalore Marshall, listen go hauling, isn't that a lovely sight, isn't it? All the Clyde. Really lovely, it's sunny and fresh. Carcalore Marshall, fuck with the tuna, Sinead Marshall, when Hain agus Kylie Bug, sunny, agus Mahain, Slong of Fall.